Always a couple of meals a week show up here. Always, always. And if you have the eyes that see, then you understand what's going on out here. Well, along with the eyes that see, you have to use your knowledge and think and figure out, you know, there's a lot of blackness in there now. Just look at that, you guys. Now, what are you not realizing? I've got a lot of facts. And I hate to say that I have to walk away, but I have to find a different direction. Yeah. Try to see if she'll look this way. Oh. Turned her head. Gotta be able to see some movement. I'm not talking about the deer. Let's watch for a limp, roughed up looking and stuff on the deer. A coyote that I got this morning after the big singing last night. You know, bears all week and a whole bunch of deer and, you know, and I'm just on the town limits. Can't even call it a city, but it's, I don't know, 40,000 people or something maybe. Amazing, eh? So she's also on a slope, like it's a grade running uphill here for us, just so you know. They're all on a bank up there and stuff. They could be in the trees. So she's on her own, eh? See if she goes in the place that the bears went in the other day. A couple of deer I got on video the other day. They always go in the same area. And I got a minute left to get that done. And that is that tree that just came in. See that tree right there on the left? The black guys on either side of it and stuff. It's really interesting when they walk past. But anyways, right on that side of the tree, in that space I'm showing you right there, where they walk through, jump over, whatever. Pretty much, I'm going to show you, yeah, from that post, but it's actually about there to there. I don't know if she's going to go though, and we're at countdown's on. One minute, less color. I had it on bright. Let me put it on darker and then see what it does for a minute here. Okay, see you guys.